This is a second-hand KOMATSU PC 55M hydraulic crawler excavator. The PC 55M excavator is equipped with the original KOMATSU for the AAE6 engine. The core components are all original. Mini excavators are flexible in operation, widely used in construction and farm. Excavator bucket and matching them clamp. Power is 28.5 kilowatt. The bucket capacity is 0.15 cubic meters. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,160 kilograms. Clean and amazing appearance. Good performance, very flexible. Used excavators are more cost-effective.